PTI and was one of the candidates for the reserved seats. A list was filed by PTI, which was subsequently returned by the Election Commission, and she was on that list on behalf of PTI.
So why is it nil, your petition not numbered?
We were not parties to the proceedings in Peshawar, and we are filing on the basis of the law laid down by your lordships in H.M. Sayer's case.
Did you move an application to be joined as a party?
No, my lord, no, we did not. But H.M. Sayer's case gives us the right to...
We know H.M. Sayer's
I'll just place that in subsequent judgments in which your lordships have said that in fact...
The H.M. Sayer's case is if as a consequence of some judgment you are affected.
We are.
But this is not as a consequence.
It is, my lord, as a consequence.
You were never declared as a candidate.
Yes.
You had a standalone grievance.
Our position is...
One. You never filed a petition.
No, our position is... that
my position.
Yes, my lord, but she represents the women's wing of the PTI.
No. That's
okay, my lord. My position is that had the Election Commission allowed reserved seats to SIC or to PTI, she would have been a candidate in the election. And by not permitting reserved seats...
You were aggrieved why you didn't challenge your grievance before any forum.
It was being challenged, it was being agitated.
How?
But it was being challenged by SIC before the Peshawar High Court, the Election Commission.
SIC ka to ek alag hai na. I think neither you are appreciating the conflict. You are a standalone candidate, you are being deprived.
Yes, I am being deprived.
So
and
then
therefore,
you have a right to agitate.
Quite so. And therefore I am affected by this judgment, and H.M. Sayer's case applies to me on all fours.
आपका नाम उस लिस्ट में था जिसमें PTI
की लिस्ट में आपका नाम था? जी।
इधर है लिस्ट आपकी दिखाएं?
जी।
पेज? जी? The page?
No, it's not been filed yet. I just got it, my lord. But I will file it if I may.
ये तो सारा आपका केस ही इस पे बिल्ड अप हो रहा है.
I've asserted it. I've stated it.
कौन सी वाली लिस्ट में नाम है ये?
Application. The list is here. This was the list that was presented. And this list was returned.
Mr. Salman Raja, neither is your petition numbered. Now you're producing enough notice has been given. Now you're producing a piece of paper on which your entire case rests.
I will file it.
I mean, it's not something that has just come in your hands. This is your document.
And then also we filed a writ petition in the High Court saying... I have stated it. No, my lord, I'll explain. But in between, there was a problem with the sealing of the office and so on, and this was actually recovered quite late in the day. Eid holidays came in, and I've just received it, and I will file it. My apologies for not being able to file it earlier, but we were struggling with the sealing and the de-sealing of the office.
This list mein to sirf do naam hai.
जी इसमें यही चाहिए थे.
List to all
नहीं, because the law says as long as you filed a list, later on you can add.
This is the only list.
Yes, for the National Assembly. Yes, for the National Assembly. And
I'll ask you this question again.
Yes.
This is the only list of PTI for women.
Yes.
Two candidates only.
Yes, because we knew that ultimately the law allows us to supplement this list.
आपसे argument नहीं पूछ रहे.
Yes.
आप fact पूछ रहे.
I've said so.
If you don't think there's a danger in the answer.
No, this is the list that was filed.
Okay.
And therefore, at that time, when this list was filed, the expectation was that after the election, we would be...
this is the list for reserve list for seats
for women.
In from Punjab.
Yes.
So you filed separately for the other provinces.
Yes.
And for the
I'll file them all.
And for the provincial.
Yes.
अब तक facts आपको नहीं पता है.
नहीं मुझे पता है.
अभी मैं आपसे 3 दफा ये सवाल पूछा. My lord has to point out कि भाई पंजाब वाली list है.
Yes. So I am filing the list before your lordship, in which she is named.
There should be a sense of responsibilities. How can we just accept it? That's why we want documents filed before the other party gets a chance to at least consider it.
The Election Commission actually has filed things which have just come to my attention this morning. They've filed something over the weekend.
They have filed it, no?
Yes, but this I'm submitting. I will file, make copies available to them.
They shouldn't have come to your attention this morning because we got it yesterday and it was filed. Well, the Election Commission ने कब file किया? तो आप कल निकलवा लेते ना?
Well, I will file this. My apologies for
Raja,
that.
So the petitioner, you say, is a person who was on the reserved seat for women.
Yes, for Punjab.
Now, what's your precise grievance against the judgment?
No, if I may now, that's the entirety of the case then, if I may proceed with that. And I will file this. My apologies for not having filed these earlier. These will be properly
And
filed.
you filed CMAs also. Can you just give us numbers of everything simultaneously?
Yes, Manoj. Yes, Manoj. I've also filed a CMA 5839. This actually shows that
That's it? Or is there another CMA?
No, this is the CMA. It's been filed.
5839M.
In CMA 3554.
बस यही दो documents हैं ना?
So इसी के अंदर ही है.
So far, these are the documents, but I'll file this today. So CMA 3554.
I always say when the case is over, you can file it.
Tell us your grievance, please. We don't understand.
Let me argue the case
please
if I
get
may.
on with it now.
Yes, Manoj, I am. Manoj, this CMA 5839.
Just one point. The applicant before you in paragraph number 2 states that she is president of PTI's Women Wing. Under section 203 of the Elections Act, a person cannot be a member of two political parties at one time. So if the applicant wishes to be considered or claims that she should have been considered as a candidate of SIC, he had to obviously join SIC.
But he hasn't argued what her case is. You're preempting that. Let him state whether it is.
तो आप अपने
आप बैठिए, आप बैठिए.
अपने
पहले
टाइम
से
पे
ही
करिए ना.
आप बैठिए.
उसको बताने तो दें grievance.
Manoj, the grievance goes to the heart of the matter as to what is the interpretation of Article 51(6), read with Section 104.
First of all, tell us who you are, which is your party.
My party is the PTI, and I was one of the candidates in the list filed by the PTI for reserved seats in the National Assembly
Did you
from the
join
province of Punjab.
Sunni Ittehad Council?
No.
You're the only one.
No, they can.
No, because I have not been elected. So I remain unelected, and
okay.
आपको तो select करना था ना किसी party
and
में.
therefore I am aggrieved of the fact that seats have not been offered to PTI or the Sunni Ittehad Council.
अच्छा, आप candidate.
So I am a candidate who was denied because this list was not accepted by the Election Commission ultimately, and against
You are invoking your right under the reserved seats.
Yes.
That's what.
So she was a candidate.
Reserved seat on the basis of general seat won or secured by PTI.
Yes, or ultimately I would have joined SIC had
और की बात नहीं है, देखिए और की बात
आप अपना grievance पहले बताएं. Let's hear your case, then we'll ask.
आपके फॉर्म 6 देखिए ये मसले सारे फॉर्म से बने हैं ना. ये फॉर्म 66 है. फॉर्म 66 में बताया जाता है कि जो रिजर्व कैंडिडेट होता है उसको अपनी पार्टी एफिलिएशन बतानी.
तहरीक इंसाफ.
आपने तहरीक इंसाफ बताया.
जी तहरीक
ठीक.
इंसाफ.
तो इसका मतलब ये है कि तहरीक इंसाफ के कैंडिडेट होने के नाते आप चाहते हैं कि आप तहरीक इंसाफ की रिजर्व सीट पे तहरीक इंसाफ के लिए इलेक्ट हो.
No, मैं दोनों बातें चाहता हूँ. Either that, there are two ways forward. दोनों
आप
में जा
अपना
सकते
grievance
हैं.
बताइए.
दोनों बताइए कैसे हो सकता है.
There are two routes now.
आइडिया कानून इसकी इजाजत
जी देते हैं.
आइदर का लफ्ज है.
जी मैं अर्ज करता हूँ ना, मुझे इजाजत दीजिए. That is the heart of the matter. Now, if I may, allow me to start with the reading of Article 51. I respectfully submit that some aspects of it need to be re-examined. And my basic propositions are simple. Let me just state those. That there is nothing in Article 51(6)(d) or E.
Hey, Mr. Salman Raja, I think coming to that argument will be later. We just want to understand the connection first. This is a woman who wanted to come in on the reserved seats. She could have only come in had some independent or a political party would have, a PTI ki list mein thi. So your question first would be that PTI has actually a political party in the elections. That was dislodged by the ECP's decision. Did she challenge that decision of the ECP?
In a writ petition, yes.
She did challenge that.
The other
वो तो हमारे सामने नहीं है ना.
Where is that decision?
Stepwise चले ना.
जी.
She was aggrieved of the fact that her political party, which were to elect her, was somehow taken out of the scheme.
Yes.
So that decision, did she challenge?
The Women's Wing, other members of...
Where is that decision?
वो भी मैं आपको देता हूँ. मुझे एक
सलमान साहब ऐसे तो नहीं आर्ग्यू होगी.
इस तरह ना करें ना. देखें ना एक तरीके से.
It is here. I need to file it.
बिल्कुल करें आप. लेकिन let's not jump the gun. Let's go stepwise. आप कहते हैं कि मैं एक रिजर्व सीट की कैंडिडेट हूँ. PTI अगर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी स्कीम में आएगी तो आपको इलेक्ट करेगी. PTI को आउस्ट कर दिया ECP ने. बिल्कुल आप उसको चैलेंज कर सकते थे. उसको चैलेंज किया है और उसका फैसला हमारे सामने है तो हम देख सकते हैं ना. अब आप किस तरह आ रहे हैं? How do you just skipping all that and you're saying directly coming to us.
मैं ये अर्ज कर रहा हूँ, the election commission took the position both in this matter, the reserved list.
What is the position of election commission is irrelevant. They may be taking a wrong position. My lord का सवाल ये, they passed an order. Did you challenge it? You said yes.
Yes.
So where is that order?
मैं अभी आपको देता हूँ.
नहीं अभी की बात नहीं, but that's not been assailed.
No,
That been assailed before us.
No, allow me to explain. Then I filed my petition, which is before your lordships, in which I said I be treated as.
पहला rule होता है of any petitioner, full disclosure of all material facts. You're not disclosing this fact. Why should we even hear you? You're not showing us that order.
I'm not here because of that order. I'm here because
we want to see it.
I will provide it. Other members of
I don't know what it says.
So that order is not the issue. Let me explain.
You have to answer the question.
I am. Kamal
अभी दे दे हमें दिखाइए order दे दें.
I think मैंने जो दिया था उसके अंदर वो भी था शायद. I gave more documents than I was meaning to give at that time.
आपने मुझे एक ये दिया था, दो
इसके साथ दो हैं शायद जी. इसमें the election commission then issued a notice to us after the High Court referred the matter to the election commission.
order.
मैं अभी आपको दे दूंगा. मुझे
देखिए मिस्टर सलमान, for my clarity, आपका केस ये है कि देखें PTI आउट नहीं हो सकती थी political from the elections. आप आइए जरा सा. आपका ये केस है ना कि PTI की affiliation से जो लोग लड़े हैं, PTI is actually contesting the elections and PTI could not have been taken out of the elections. Is that your main plank?
Yes, twofold.
Having said that, आपसे सिर्फ ये पूछा जा रहा है कि बीच में एक order आ गया. Are you telling us to take a notice of that under Article 187? What are you saying? How do we touch that order in between? What are you saying?
That order gets subsumed by the ultimate order of the Election Commission, which denies SIC.
That order which we have no idea what it is, is not before us. But Mr. Salman Sahab, sorry to say this is. I will not. How can I allow you something?
I am coming to the heart of the matter, which is the final order of the Election Commission. And then the order of the Election Commission finally and of the
Is this your only petition before the Supreme Court or have you filed anything else?
I filed when my personal case was not in...
Where is PTI in all of this?
So she's a member of the
Can you please answer the question? I've asked you a question. Can you please answer it? Have you filed anything else?
I have filed with CM 5839.
So apart from what is before us right now, have you filed any other petition in your name?
No.
You haven't filed any?
No.
Have you challenged any order of the Election Commission?
No, because those orders were challenged by other members of the PTI and therefore those orders finally applied.
Have they come to us? Have they come to us?
अब ये देखिए.
Are they before us? Have they been challenged before us?
Those orders are not before us.
नहीं, but I am aggrieved of the final order of the Election Commission.
Final order.
Election Commission का order
पहले तो आप ये वाली पोजीशन क्लियर कर देना कि आपके खिलाफ एक ऑर्डर आया जिसमें आपको फॉर्म 66 में डिक्लेयर कर दिया और फॉर्म 33 में कि ये कैंडिडेट्स जो है ये इंडिपेंडेंट है. हालांकि वो इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं थे.
आपने तो इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट ही नहीं की ना, तो आप पर तो वो लगता नहीं है ना. यू आर रिजर्व सीट, तो आप पर लगता नहीं है. आप पोस्ट इलेक्शन आए हैं और आप अग्रीव्ड हैं पोस्ट election order से. वो कौन सा order है that you are aggrieved by?
The order of the Election Commission.
Date कौन सा है?
जी, the order which is the impugned order.
जो बाकी में impugned हुआ है.
ये बताएं
ये SIC से relate करता है ना. देखें प्लीज जरा सा देखें, जरा मिसहैंडल हो रही है सिचुएशन. आपका केस हमारे सामने ये बना के लाए हैं कि actually PTI has won the election और PTI was in the elections. ये आपका केस है, इसीलिए मुझे रिजर्व सीट पर लेना चाहिए था. बीच में ECP ने डिसाइड कर दिया कि वो पार्टी नहीं है. जो मेंबर्स जिन्होंने कंटेस्ट करना था उन्होंने डिक्लेरेशन दे दी कि हम इंडिपेंडेंट हैं, वो जाके SIC चले. Now the impugned judgment before us is whether SIC is a political party or not, and whether at all proportional representation आएगा. आपका जो plank है, you are on the PTI card.
No, I'm saying both things.
Not the SIC.
No, I'm saying both things.
आप एक चीज और बता दें कि
अगर अपना पहला आर्ग्यूमेंट कर लेना
खत्म हो जाती है.
तो फिर तो अगर आप SIC जीत जाती है तो आपको ऑटोमेटिकली
सब कुछ है, सिर्फ कागज नहीं है.
तो दिया ही नहीं ना. में Sorry, we will not give you this indulgence.
No,
Unnumbered petition, you just walked into the Supreme Court.
Not just walked in, Lord. Kindly
what are we hearing? There is an order of Lahore High Court, you're not showing that to us.
SIC की list दिखा दें.
You're not showing us the order of the election commission.
SIC has filed a list. Have a look in that and show us your name if it's.
देख लें है आप बीच में.
मुझे अर्ज थोड़ा सा ये करने दें कि she is a member of the PTI.
आप ये बार-बार ना कहना, हमने नोट कर लिया. She is a member of the women's wing.
Therefore, had the ultimate order of the election commission and of the Peshawar High Court been different, she would have had a way forward either as a PTI candidate or as an SIC candidate.
Just show us your name in the list filed by SIC. Is her name on that?
इस तरह तो ना करें ना, abuse of process है. आप please अब SIC का दिखा दें.
SIC की list किधर है?
Let's get done with that.
क्योंकि इलेक्शन कमीशन ने हमारा डिनाई कर दिया था राइट टू रिजर्व सीट, दे डिडंट अलाउ अस टू फाइल द प्रायोरिटी.
आपने हमें तो बताया होगा ना कि दिस लिस्ट फाइल
दिया उसके साथ आपने कहा कि फाइल में उसमें लिस्ट
आप SIC की लिस्ट में दिखा दें ना. Was she there and then she could agitate this matter?
जो हमने एप्लीकेशन डाली थी रिजर्व सीट्स की उसमें
सलमान साहब अगर SIC की लिस्ट में भी इनका नाम होगा,
किसी का नाम नहीं.
एक सेकंड, अगर सपोज आप SIC की लिस्ट में भी हैं, then your entire argument is what फैसल साहब का argument is, then you can't go the PTI route. तो इसलिए कोई क्लैरिटी ले आए कि आप PTI की तरफ से बहस कर रहे हैं, SIC की तरफ से बहस कर रहे हैं.
वो हमने परमिशन मांगी.
सलमान साहब आपका केस PTI के लिए तो नहीं है, आपने भी सुन्नी इत्तेहाद तहरीक का ये लिखा हुआ है.
मैं यही कह रहा हूँ.
poorly handled actually. देखें ना प्लीज इसको समझें.
जी पेज 12 के ऊपर आप अपना ग्राउंड बी तो पढ़िए ना. PTI का तो केस ही नहीं है, ये भी सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल का केस बनाया आपने.
हम यही कह रहे हैं कि अल्टीमेटली
PTI के में PTI से ताल्लुक है, वो तो केस ही नहीं है आपका ये.
जी I am a member but I am saying like other members of the PTI.
ग्राउंड बी पढ़
It is in front of me. It is in front of me. So what I am saying is that the denial by the election, this is at page 12.
Page 12
that the denial by the Election Commission of Pakistan of opportunity to the Sunni Ittihad Council, pro forma respondent number 23, to submit lists for the seats reserved to women and the minorities after the SIC had become a political party.
चलें ये बात ले लेते हैं. आपका ये ग्रीवेंस है कि SIC की लिस्ट देने का मौका नहीं दिया गया. आप SSI की लिस्ट में थे?
नहीं उन्हें ली नहीं. They said we will not accept
जो देनी थी लिस्ट उसमें थे.
जी
तो दिखाइए ना.
सर वो तो लिस्ट उन्हें ली नहीं. मैं क्या
वो जो आपने प्रिपेयर की SIC ने, प्लीज दिखा दीजिए हमें.
आप लोग फैसल साहब का केस तबाह कर रहे हैं.
नहीं तबाह कर रहे हैं.
फैसल साहब आप बता दें.
आप तबाह कर
आपकी लिस्ट जो थी. एक सेकंड सलमान साहब ये गलत हो जाएगा. गलत हो जाएगा. फैसल साहब आप बता दें कि जो लिस्ट आपने प्रपोज की देने को उसमें इनका नाम है, तो फिर हम आगे चले ना.
फिर मेन फाइल पेज 90 देख लें, डॉक्यूमेंट देख लें. पेज 90 of civil appeal number 333 of 2024.
333.
डॉक्यूमेंट देखा है इसलिए मैंने कहा पहली डॉक्यूमेंट.
इनका केस भी SIC का है, वो PTI का शो कर रहे हैं.
सर इसकी आखिरी 2 लाइनें देखिएगा. दिस वाज आवर एप्लीकेशन व्हिच वाज रिजेक्टेड. सर पेज 90.
नहीं इसमें नाम कहाँ है?
नहीं लास्ट 2 लाइंस में पढ़ दूं सर. We look forward to hearing from you at the earliest convenience so that we may submit a priority list.
अभी तक बनाई नहीं आ रहा. ये जरा सलमान राजा साहब. सलमान राजा साहब for the apex court, the custodian of fundamental rights. इससे बड़ा दूसरा कोई इशू हो नहीं सकता था. We were informed in another matter that some petition is also pending here regarding the elections of 8th February. Was this a ground in that petition? Because that is from a political party.
Hamid Khan Sahab has filed that petition.
Because you see, it stems from whatever grievances are of the political parties relating to the 8th February election.
Left me to my devices and I'm sure
and again, you see, it is such an important matter that this probably we have taken suo motu notices in practically every irrelevant matter.
But as an
this was a perfect case.
In this matter, I think I'll be able to.
We could have allowed you that.
But I'm submitting that the petitioner before your lordship, Kawal Joseph, has enough of an interest in this matter, and the judgment of the Peshawar High Court.
But you are destroying his case completely.
I'm not destroying his case at all.
But we haven't heard your case yet, and as a candidate for the reserved seats, I think you have a right to speak he can set out your case, then we can see whether we want to accept that or not. But at least set out your case.
Which is fair enough. No, Mr. Salman, I would allow you to do that. Pehle bataएं, are you a candidate or not? In the reserve seat.
But I will become a candidate if they allow me to file a list.
Please देखें ये ना करें.
I was a candidate.
Please show us. देखें ये ना करें. If you are a candidate of the reserve seat of SIC, जो आपने form submit किया या जो list बनाई, उसमें नाम दिखा दें. That is something important for us to move forward. Otherwise, a general question, as Justice Terminala, I agree with him in the sense that it's a larger question that we need to attend. But that is, देखें ना, speaking for myself, PTI could have come to this court saying that we have actually contested the election, all the candidates were ours. They have not come before us. I don't know why, but they're not before us. So आप तो आए एक reserve candidate की तरफ से, आपसे